Here is how you can fix, only you can do this on Instagram. I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can fix this easily and it won't take you any time. This is the easiest tutorial. Here is exactly what you wanna do, okay? Okay, now you will see in there, add to your post, add post to your story, you will see there, only you can do this. Here is how you can fix it, okay? Go back and then click on three little lines in the top right, and then click on settings in the top, and then click on privacy. After you click on privacy, you want to click on story, as you can see. Now, after you click on story, you want to scroll down a little bit where it says here sharing, okay? You will see there in the top, I don't have it, I only have two options. You will have there allow sharing to story. What you wanna do, guys, you wanna just you wanna click on it, okay? You wanna enable it, you wanna toggle it on, okay? It says there, like I said, allow sharing to story. You wanna toggle it on like this, for example. You want to just toggle it on. I don't have it, like I said. You will see it here, allow sharing to story. You want to toggle it on or turn it on, and now you will not have that problem anymore. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like. See you. Have a good